Hey guys, so we're just continuing on with this program. The last part we did was encrypting the file and writing it out to a different file. Now we want to be able to go the other way as well. And that's going to be, there's not really going to be anything new today. It's just going to be more or less taking what we've done before and switching it around a little bit. So it's almost going to be the same as the encrypt file, funny enough. So let's see if we can write a decrypt file. Now, normally I would do it as a separate file, but in this case it's so similar that I actually just want this to be in front of me and I can bring stuff in and out as I need. So, let's start typing it out. So I'm going to define the decrypt file. Now, again, I probably want a file in, I want a file out, and I probably want the key to come in as well. Now, I'm going to get an array. This time I'll call it cipher array. So you can see how this is almost matching. It's almost identical to what is above there. And I want to do try, and I'm doing exactly the same as is going on here. Alright, so I'm going to cheat. I'm not a big fan of copying and pasting, especially for you guys, but there's no point spending huge amounts of video doing the same thing we've done before. Okay, let's paste that in there. Oops, I probably shouldn't have put that try already. Okay, so I'm going to open file in for read, and then for each line of the file, I'm not going to encrypt, I'm going to decrypt the line using the key. Now, let's look at my decrypt. So decrypt, it prints. So what do I need? I actually don't want to print, I want to return the cipher. The new plain text that's been worked out. Okay, so it's almost the same, again, reverse engineering. Now, I'm going to have to do a slight change here, just so my program doesn't break later, for when, if I just decrypt a single line, I'm going to print the decrypt cipher. Okay, so I've decrypted the line, and then I'm going to add it to the CY array. And then I'm going to close the file, and if for some reason it didn't work, I'm going to say, sorry, not found. Okay, that should be alright. So then the next part is, again, same thing. I'm going to take what I've got up here, and I'm going to have the out file, and I'm going to write to that. Stick that in there. So, out file is going to equal file out, and I'm going to try and write to that. For line in PT array, nope, for line in CY array. There's no reason I have to change it actually, but just for clarity's sake, it's nicer. And then I'm going to do out file dot write the line plus /n. I'm going to close the file, and then I'm going to say file decrypted to plain text. Okay, otherwise I'm going to say sorry, can't write the file. Now at the end here, I could also return possibly the CY array. There's no reason, this could be useful at a later date. Okay, now did it work? Who knows, but let's find out. So, just to remind you that CY4 and CY3 contain the cipher. So hopefully, let's do a new one. So hopefully, what would I like to do? Oh no, I've not added it to my menu. Stupid teacher. Okay, so I've got that, and now that I've got that, I have to add it as an option to my menu. So just like I've got encrypt file here, I want another option that says elif. We are going to decrypt file, enter the name of the file to decrypt. What file would you like to write to? That could stay the same. And then I'm going to pass decrypt file, the file name, the out file, and the key. And now once again, I need to check my menu up here and add an option to decrypt the file as well. Okay, so again, this is growing and I'm realizing there's a bit of jumping back and forwards that you maybe can't quite keep up with, but hopefully you can go from peak to peak and get in those gaps there and try and get what's going on. So this one is really much just repurposing our encrypt file as a decrypt file thing. So it's more like a review one. Okay, now what did I do? Indentation no matchy. Okay. Oops. That looks better. Okay. And then I want to decrypt the file. Enter the name of the file to decrypt. And what did I say? cy4.txt. Where would you like to write to? upt1.txt. Oh, decrypt file is not defined. Did you mean decrypt file? Probably. So, 1414. They should just always have line numbers. I don't know why they don't put the line numbers on. 14. What did I write? Something slightly stupidly different. Okay, let's try that again. What would I like to do? I would like to decrypt file. Name of the file, and I said cy4.txt. Where would I like to write to? New pt1.txt. Ooh, file decrypted to plain text. Okay, and let's exit. Nice, okay. That seems like it could be working. So then now, new pt1, hopefully, is the original plain text. SDF, where did SDF come from? Did I put that in my original plain text? Yes, I did. Okay, cool, that's good. Just shows you I had some randomness in there. Okay, and so that's our decrypt file, which is basically just repurposing our encrypt file so that we can decrypt it as well. Okay, so you can see how functions start to become useful because we can reuse the code in different places. So our encrypt and decrypt, we only have to do once, and then we can use them down below in these different files. Okay, next step, let's say our next step is going to be to start making a user interface, but we'll do that next time. All right, see you soon. Bye.